Assalamu alaikum students. Today's our topic is microprocessor versus microcontroller and embedded systems for IoT and various platforms for IoT applications. Embedded system. What is embedded system? It's a computer system that is a combination of three main parts. One is processor, other is memory, and last is input output devices with a dedicated function. अब यहाँ पे हमारे पास तीन चीज़ें हैं, प्रोसेसर है, मेमोरी है और इनपुट आउटपुट डिवाइसेस हैं, और हर डिवाइस का अपना अपना डिफाइंड फंक्शन है जिसके अकॉर्डिंगली वो इनपुट या आउटपुट जो है वो प्रोवाइड करता है. इट्स अ माइक्रो कंट्रोलर और माइक्रो प्रोसेसर बेस्ड सिस्टम विच इज़ डिज़ाइन टू परफॉर्म अ स्पेसिफिक टास्क. तो हमारे पास दो ऑप्शन हैं, या माइक्रो कंट्रोलर यूज़ करेंगे या माइक्रो प्रोसेसर यूज़ करेंगे. और डिसाइड कैसे करेंगे, इट बेस्ड अपॉन टास्क. अब टास्क में हमने पहले प्रॉब्लम को अंडरस्टैंड करना है, उसके बाद हमने देखना है कि हमारे पास रिक्वायर्ड इनपुट्स और आउटपुट्स कितनी हैं, और मेमोरी स्पेस कितना रिक्वायर्ड है हमें, और प्रोसेसिंग स्पीड क्या चाहिए. तो जितना कॉम्प्लेक्स टास्क होगा हमें प्रोसेसिंग स्पीड ज़्यादा चाहिए होगी, जितना ह्यूज टास्क होगा उसके लिए हमें मेमोरी जो है वो ज़्यादा चाहिए होगी. जितनी आईओ ज़्यादा होंगी उससे हमारा क्या होगा, हार्डवेयर के ऊपर इफेक्ट पड़ेगा. हमें ज़्यादा बेटर मॉडल जो है माइक्रोप्रोसेसर या कंट्रोलर का यूज़ करना पड़ेगा. Now what is microcontroller and microprocessor? As we discussed that embedded systems are small scale computers. They need some sort of brain to control input and output and memory management. Just like operating system, here we have IOs and management for uh, various tasks performed on the basis of input and outputs are generated. Now these have microcontroller as their brain, and microcontroller are cheap and they require less amount of power to operate and very ideal for smaller scale of applications. Now microprocessor based systems are not usually cost effective and used for more larger applications where efficiency is required. Here the basic problem is we have various parts based on processor, like you have separate slots for memory, separate slots for processor, and separate slots for input and output devices that are extendable. So it usually uh, cost us in the form of larger hardware. Now the fundamental difference between the two is in the term. Like microprocessor, it is designed to control processes of almost any nature, but microcontroller, it is designed to control only specific processes. Because microcontroller is limited capability is available here. Like you have limited memory, you have limited processing power, and you have limited input output ports. But for the case of microprocessor, you can extend memory, you can extend processing power, you can extend the IO ports. So in simple words, microprocessor is developed for special purpose, only can be regarded as sorry only can be regraded as microcontroller. तो हम माइक्रोप्रोसेसर को स्पेशल पर्पस के लिए यूज़ करते हैं, जिसको अगर हम स्पेशल फॉर्म में अगर हम यूज़ करें, ख़ास पर्पस के लिए यूज़ करें, तो हम उसको कहते हैं हम माइक्रो कंट्रोलर के तौर पे हमसे काम लें. So this is the diagrammatic difference between microprocessor and microcontroller. You can see a huge amount of pins in microprocessor, and you can watch here the limited amount of ports and connections in the case of microcontroller. Now microprocessor is heart of computer system, while microcontroller is the heart of embedded system. Embedded system is a shorter system in short space. It is just our processor, memory, and I/O components must be connected externally. Here we have, in case of microcontroller, we have built-in power and built-in processor along with internal memory and I/O components. Number three, since memory and I/O has to be connected externally, the circuit becomes larger because external connection makes a circuit complex. Here, memory and I/Os are present internally, so the circuit is usually small. Microprocessor cannot be used in compact systems and hence inefficient. Compact system means limited space for a specific system. But microcontroller can be used in compact systems and hence it is an efficient technique. Cost of the entire system increases because you have to connect the components externally. Here cost of the entire system is low because here we have inbuilt capability. Now due to external components, the entire power consumption is high, hence it is not suitable for usage with devices running on stored power like batteries. But here in microcontroller, since external components are low, total power consumption is lesser and can be used with devices running on stored power like batteries. Now examples. All the Intel processors series you have heard about the microprocessors. These are the examples of microprocessors. Now microcontroller, there are several manufacturers of microcontroller, like Atmel is one of the famous microcontroller manufacturer. Atmega is a famous series of Atmel. These ICs are representing Atmel microcontroller. Now embedded systems in IoT. As there are several applications of IoT, hence we prefer using microcontroller based system to save cost, space and power requirements as well. Now microcontroller based embedded systems are very important for IoT applications, but have seen these small microcontrollers based system. Let's explore. For the case of Arduino, it's an open source hardware and software company project and user community that designs and manufactures single board microcontrollers and for building digital devices. So very cost-effective solutions for small-scale applications. It is most adopted choice for IoT applications, usually when size requirement is tight, because its hardware size is very small. This is the diagram representing Arduino microcontroller Atmega 328V microcontroller. This is the processor. This is the I/O connection. At top and bottom you can see I/O connections and various power requirements. Now other examples are Raspberry Pi, BeagleBoard and Microsoft Visual. So the task for today is search for embedded system based IoT research paper and present its report till tomorrow evening. I will create an assignment and you will have to upload there.